Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. I have an unboxing for you and a giveaway for you in today's video. This is the Ipsy X for the month of November. It is in conjunction with Huda Katan from Huda Beauty. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of November. It is the Huda Beauty Gemstones Obsessions palette. Looks like this on the inside. It is an all shimmer palette. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know to enter this giveaway. So the Ipsy X is $55 a quarter. It comes out every 3 months. It does replace the Ipsy Plus for that month. So the months it does come out on are February, May, August, and November. During these months, you'll score up to $350 in value for just an additional $42 shipment for Glam Bag members and a $27 shipment for Glam Bag Plus members. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. It'll save you a little bit of money and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. The code is in the description box down below. It's just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. See me looking down, my notes are on my phone. It does say your Glam Bag X was curated by Huda to help you boss your own beauty journey. So the first item that I am pulling out, it is by PMD Beauty. It's a Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device in Warmth. I do have, let me see if I can grab it really quick. I have one. So I have loved using mine. It does come with a little base here that you can stand upright. It is all silicone. It does have the bristles here, and then it's got this on this side, and it's got 4 different modes. I don't know if you can hear that. So that's your normal mode. That's your high mode. That's boom, 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 boom mode. And then it has that one. I really love this. So this does retail for $99. This powerful device uses sonic vibration technology and has 4 customizable modes to deep clean skin, help purify pores, and treat your face to a lifting and toning massage. So since I already have one, I think I'm going to place this either in this giveaway or an upcoming one. I'm starting to set stuff aside for when we hit 1,600 subscribers. So you never know. A clean beauty product from Golden Matte and FD. Needleless Lines Smoothing Concentrate. This retails for $165. It is 50 milliliters. This powerful anti-aging serum helps to smooth, firm, and lift your skin, improve elasticity, and reduce the appearance of fine lines with moisture-boosting hyaluronic acid and seaweed extract. Use it daily to up your glow. If you guys have tried this, let me know in the comments down below. We do have a Sunday Riley product here. So this is the Clean Rinse Clarifying Scalp Serum. It does retail for $48, and it's an AHA BHA infused rinse-off serum. Clarifies the scalp, product buildup, excess oil, dead skin, and pollution for a cleaner, healthier looking scalp and refreshed hair. My hair needs all the refreshing it can get right now. So we do have from Rare Beauty. It is the Rare Beauty With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm in Honor. I feel like I've gotten this one before. It's a $16 value. It treats lips to a clear, shiny finish while soothing dryness and helping to lock in moisture with shea butter and botanicals. Packaging looks like this. And it's just a clear lip balm. Not gonna put it on because obviously I have lipstick on right now. From Huda Beauty is a Overachiever High Coverage Concealer in Marshmallow. Does retail for $30. Looks like this. It is 10 milliliters. True to its name, this BB is a genuine overachiever. The creamy full coverage formula hides everything from breakouts to dark circles without feeling heavy or looking cakey. From Aceology's Affirming Treatment Mask, it does retail for $69. The closest thing to a pro facial at home, this peptide-packed mask helps create an instant lifting and firming effect that you'll love. It even uses purifying botanicals to help remove dead skin cells and give your pores a deep cleaning too. And here's what the inner packaging of this one looks like. From Ofra Cosmetics is a Sitting Pretty Midi palette. It does retail for $35. It is a cheek palette. This duo of matte and shimmer powder blushes plus a universally flattering champagne highlighter delivers just the right amount of pigment to perk up your complexion in an instant. This mirror on this side, and here's what she looks. Here. I have so many blushes that I'm either going to do this one in this giveaway or an upcoming one because there's no sense in having a gazillion blushes, and blushes take forever to go through. So I'd much rather pass it on to one of you guys. Secret word for this giveaway is Huda, H-U-D-A. The last item in here is a Patrick Ta Beauty. It is the Major Glow Softening Lip Mask in She's Juicy. It does retail for $22. Get smooth, hydrated, baby soft lips. Yup, even in the dead of winter. With this ultra nourishing lip mask, it helps lock in moisture with vegan lanolin and emollient blend for a plush, plump pout. Sounds yummy. Kind of looks like this. And then here's what she looks like. Like I said earlier, I do have lipstick on, so I'm not going to put it on right now, but cannot wait. So what did you guys think? I thought it was okay. I wish that there was more makeup in it, especially being from Huda. I do wish that there was more of her bigger size palette, being for an Xbox. It's my thoughts. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What should we give away? Let's give away the Rare Beauty with Gratitude lip balm. There's no sense in having two lip balms. I'd rather give this one away to one of you. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and put on it that secret word. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. And you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. You can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. So there's 3 extra entries. You can mark on that Google form link that you did those extra things. If you do them, make sure that you do, because if you said that you did do them, make sure that you do, because I do check on those. Giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through December 11th and it'll end at midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on the 15th, I'll take all the forms. I'll put your first name, first initial of your last name, if you followed all the rules. And I will also put in there if you did do the bonus entries or not. And then the computer spins all the names around. The computer picks it, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then on the 15th, we will go ahead and do our big announcement video where I'll announce all the winners for the previous month. As soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. Nobody else has access to them. Your privacy is very important to me. So if you like this video, give it a big like. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. You have to be subscribed in order to win. If you could do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. If you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I try and do giveaways from each of my unboxings. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourself, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.